Alright, part number 2 here. Let's detangle. There we go. Let's go. See? I don't know what the fuck is going on. That's weird. What's that? Alright, let's go. Here we go. Something's wrong with this freaking toilet, seriously. Also, I accidentally put soap in it? Fuck. No. No, it's not good. I feel like I'm in trouble, seriously. I don't think I am, but I feel like I am, you know. Alright. Let's go. Just put it back on. And huge shit. It's getting hot, but why the hell does it look so blue? It's not blue. It's not blue. Alright, let's go. Ridiculous.